If your skin becomes dull, dry, tanned, or patchy in summer, then this video is just for you, because today I'm going to share some summer special home remedies that are very effective for both face and body. And the best part is all these ingredients are easily available at home. First, we will make a super moisturizing remedy using Vaseline. Take a little Vaseline, add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, and 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E capsule. Mix it well and apply it on your face and body before sleeping. This will deeply hydrate your skin, remove dryness, and give you a natural glow. For the second remedy, take beetroot juice, add rose water, and a little graham flour. Apply it like a face pack for 15 minutes and wash it off. This will give you a natural pink glow, reduce tanning, and make your skin brighter. For the third remedy, we will make a body pack by mixing curd, honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply it on your whole body and take a shower.